Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can either create or even apply this like white I guess like outline to your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this one for this video and I will just copy and paste that. And for the second one, go to Cutout and select the auto cutout section. So simply you can just select these and you can like add in the white outline like so. But before this existed, what I did was I copied and pasted both of these, and then for the one in the back I just scaled it up a little bit, and I went to adjustments and I adjusted all of the like lighting here until everything turns like super white. Well, except for that. I then right click and then created a compound clip and did the same thing. Don't forget to turn down your saturation though. I keep forgetting. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did to create the white outline back then. But now you have the cutout one, which is again super simple. But yeah. Here I'll show you, like, again, it is super simple. They have like a few options here. You can adjust the like size of it as well here, and the opacity if you'd like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.